Hey everyone. Oh, new flowers. What do you think? Okay, so a week ago today, I went to London, which is a rare occurrence as my mother-in-law, who is so lovely, isn't very well, so we don't tend to go anywhere because of those issues. But I went to London and the opening of the brand new Charlotte Tilbury store in Covent Garden. Now, this place is gigantic to say the least. I'd love to know what the rent is. It is huge. It is the most glamorous thing I've ever seen in real life. You have no idea. It is mammoth. Insane is what it is. But it's really, really nice to go there. It was so special and so sweet. And the things that she said to me is, they're just so kind. They really, really are. Probably some of you may or may not be aware of this, but I actually had some personal training with Charlotte Tilbury. She taught me how to do all the things that she does, except there's one issue. I can't do them still. She's way better than I am, but it was an amazing experience to get that hands-on, up-close, personal experience of learning the techniques that she knows and has honed over all the years that she's been doing this job. She is such a character, and honestly, if you were to meet her in real life, I promise you, everything you see on the screen is exactly who she is. It is an identical replica, and it is quite extraordinary, fun, and wonderful to see it. Also, a quick shout out to Juliet and Georgie, who were so kind to me at the event. They were just amazing. So also, there's lots of Charlotte Tilbury newness, like this, which you can't really see, and this, which is amazing, and this, which will blow your mind. There's actually even more than that. There is a ton of stuff coming from Charlotte Tilbury. They also did this incredible demo, and all the model selection there was the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen. Gorgeous models. Such a fun night. The best bit for me was Charlotte running around the audience, spraying everyone in perfume. Sounds like nothing, but you had to be there to see it because it was quite the spectacle. There's lots and lots coming, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.